Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. So Chuck was gracious enough to extend the deadline, because I guess not enough people entered the walk around video giveaway. So this is my 2002 Crown Victoria LX Sport. I've switched out the headlights, done a cold air intake on it. I switched all the interior lights to LED. I did not switch out the blinkers to LED, the ones that are in the giveaway. Currently, I bought it with 65,000 miles on it, and it currently has 93 on it. I just switched out, same rims, just switched the rubber on them. The other ones I hadn't put enough miles on, so they were getting dry rotted. Tinted the windows. Went legal in the front. I didn't want to get pulled over and harassed in my travels. So it's a really clean car. I switched out the exhaust, the dual exhaust. It had dual exhaust from the factory. I just made it more free-flowing, cut the mufflers off, put cherry bombs on it, and then got rid of the resonators and did the exhaust tips on the back, changed out the tail lights to LED. Nice tint on the back window. I did a third brake light all the way across. You can't see it obviously in the daylight, but it's holding up pretty well. Done a lot of work to this car. Switched out the whole front end, upper control arms, ball joints, upper and lower, tie rods, idler arm, pitman arm, center link. Went all the way across. This car came from California, and I was having trouble with its steering. It felt like it was wandering all over the road, so I thought the parts were worn out. Come to find out, just all the grease had dried out and there were no greasable fittings. So just switched them all out to newer parts with grease fittings on them. And now it rides like a dream. Also did the front and back shocks. It's been a ton of work to this thing. It's got all leather interior. It has the center console. Sorry, the keys are in the house, but it's got the center console with the gear shift on the floor. And over here we have another 2002 silver Panther. This one is Grand Marquis. I just changed out the back tires on this. Missing one hubcap. I still have to go find one from the boneyard. This thing was filthy. I just washed it today. Of course it's raining, but it was filthy. We had to clean it out, get all the crap out of it. The body is really clean. It's got some scratches here and there from the elderly man that drove it. The front, he hit a deer. That car sounds awful. The elderly man hit a deer with this one, so I switched out the hood and the header panel, cleaned the interior, painted the grille. The hood is slightly different. So if you're going from 2002, they did not use the same silver in 2004, which I was hoping they did, but it's slightly different. It's really clean. Like I said, other than the little dents. Interior is pretty decent. This one has 88,000 miles on it. It was way nasty inside. I think I got a quick shot of it in one of my other videos when I was doing the walk around when I first picked it up with the front torn up. Did new tie rods on this one. New lower ball joints. I went to go get alignment today and found out there's some slight movement in one of the upper ball joints, so I'm going to switch those out. Just did a starter on this because the starter quit working, so just put that video up, and I'm sure there'll be a few more to come. Hopefully it won't need too much more work, so maybe it'll just be all upgrades, but not really sure. It's a really clean car. I don't want to drive it in the winter. I bought it for a winter car, but I think it's way too clean to mess up in the winter, and I don't have enough room to store all these vehicles. So this one might have to go, unfortunately. Put new wipers on it today in time for the rain, but can't drive it till I get the ball joint done. I don't want to end up on the side of the road somewhere. And also they got the 2019 Dodge Caravan that is not the subject of this video, but it's jealous that just sitting there. So there you go. There's my walk around of the 2-for-1 video. Thank you for checking out, and please like and subscribe. Hope you have a great day.